The air inside most of our homes is 2 to 5 times more polluted than the air outside. How's that possible? The simple explanation is Mother Nature. Thunder, lightning, and ultraviolet energy from the sun continually clean the outside air. Indoor air isn't so lucky. The combination of cleaning products, deodorizers, paint, mold, and other pollutants in today's tighter homes all contribute to unhealthy indoor air. This can result in increased symptoms of asthma, allergies, longer-lasting colds, and more. So what can we do about it? The first option is to replace your traditional air filter with a polarized media air cleaner. This advanced air cleaner captures up to 97% of particles and allergens in the air. The second option is to use dual wavelength ultraviolet energy light. Just like the sun's ultraviolet rays, these sterilize germs, viruses, bacteria, and control gas odors in your home without the use of any harsh chemicals or sprays. Last, adding a whole home HEPA filter is the optimum air cleaner. HEPA filtration can remove 99.97% of particles in the air, clearing smoke, dust, pollen, and pet dander. There are lots of options for cleaning the air inside your home. If you need more information on these products, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.